Hello everyone, this is me, Raw D, and I would like to go through a broker that I use called FXCM, which is my Forex trading broker, foreign exchange broker that I use to trade Forex. Basically, this is for educational purposes only, and my trading results may not duplicate your trading results. In other words, you may not have the same results trading Forex that I do. But I use a broker called FXCM, and you can go to FXCM at fxcm.com and sign up with them for a demo account. And as you can see right here, there's the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and you just click on it, download it, and set up a demo account. You can basically set up a demo account with as much money as you want, but I recommend that you do it based on the amount of money that you would put in a live trading account if you decide to trade live. So again, this is for educational purposes only. Once you get MetaTrader 4 downloaded and installed, this is what the platform looks like. This is my live trading platform, and once you get your platform downloaded and installed, your platform will not look like this. This is my live trading platform. So I have indicators on it that I use for confirmation based on the direction that I'm going to trade in. So once you install yours out of the box, this is what it's going to look like. I'm just going to create a basic generic window of what it looks like out the box and show you how to set it up. So I'm going to go back to the pair EUR/USD on the 1 hour, of course, and I'm going to right click on that pair, and I'm going to select chart window. When you select chart window, this is what it looks like out of the box, minus this green line here. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. Basically, you right click on the chart anywhere, right click, go to properties, and I'm going to select the color scheme of yellow and black. I'm going to select for a bar up, I want that to be green or lime green. For a bar down, I want that to be red. For a bull candle, I want that to be green. For a bear candle, I want that to be red. And for a line graph, I want that to be green. Basically what this means is the bar up candle, meaning green, means that when the candlesticks are going up, they're going to be green, so you know up is green, and when the candlesticks are going down, you know down is red. And basically when you have bull candles, they're always going up, which means green, and when you have bear candles, they're always going down, which means red. It's just a basic setup so that your eyes know exactly what to do, your mind know exactly what to do when your eyes see it. So you're just following protocol basically. Next, you're going to come over here to common, and you're going to select candlesticks. You're going to leave this checked. You're going to check show ask line, and you're going to turn the show grid, which is this area here, you're going to turn that off. Then you're going to leave your chart auto scroll, make sure that's checked, and your charts shift. What this does is, as the market is updating from right to left, it's shifting from right to left. So you'll see it updating. So when I click OK, this is what it looks like. There you go. You have red candles, you have green candles. So I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. There you can see your candles. You see your green candles and you see your red candles. So basically that's what I wanted to show you what the setup looks like. Never mind this green line down here where there's a sell at. Next I'm going to show you how to set up moving averages. Again, this is for educational purposes only. I trade using moving averages because I like trading using moving averages. There are other indicators that you can use to trade, or you can just trade with a naked chart like this based on what you learn. Now, the first indicator, or moving average indicator, I'm going to show you how to set up is a red one. I'm sorry, a yellow one. Basically, the way you set it up is you go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, Moving Averages, and this window comes up. We're going to change this period to 7. We're going to leave the shift and the simple as is. We're going to go to the color, change the color to yellow, and change the line width to 2. There you go. Simple moving average, 7. We're actually going to put 3 on here. So the next one I'm going to put on is a red one. Again, you go to Insert, Indicators, Custom Moving Averages. We're going to change this. We're going to leave this one at red. I'm sorry. We're going to change the line width to 2. And we're going to go to Inputs and change this to 14. And leave the shift and the method the same. Hit OK. There's your red one. The last one we're going to put on is the green 60-minute moving average. Again, Insert, Indicators, Custom Moving Averages. I'm going to change this to 60. We're going to go to Colors and change this to green. And we're going to change the line width to 2. And hit OK. Now, the reason I like using moving averages to trade on a 1-hour chart is because it gives me plenty of time to understand the direction that I'm trading in based on which way the trend is going. Right now, zoomed into this chart, EUR/USD on the 1 hour, the trend is actually going up. So right now you can see from here down is a downtrend. It based right here and it started going up. It pulled back here, it went down, it based, now it's going up. But using the moving averages, and this is for educational purposes only because I only use these trading this way, you don't have to, but I'm showing you the way I trade, and the way you trade, your performance may not be indicative of mine. So again, using the moving averages, this area here, yellow being that it's smaller on the time frame, I always follow this yellow line. Right now you can see the yellow line is going down. So if I thought it was going to continue down, I would get in a sale here. And the way you get in a sale is you can basically right click on the chart and add this one-click trading and click sale, and based on the amount of money you want to use, you could change this to 1 and you could hit sale and it would execute the sale. And just for educational purposes only, I'm going to execute a sale. There you go. I'm in a sale. And what I do right after I execute the sale is I basically want to decide how much profit I'm going to take out of this sale. So I go here, click the green line once, click it again, and left click and hold, and I drag it down based on where I think it's going to go to. And right now I'm dragging it there. That's about 107 pips, and I let it go, and it allows me to modify the sale. I click modify, and once it gets to that line, click OK, and once it gets to this red line, it will close the sale automatically whether I'm sitting in front of the computer or not, and I'll take profit on that sale. Now, one thing I never do, and I'm not recommending that you do this, but this is for educational purposes only, I never trade without a stop loss. And the way I set a stop loss is I do the same thing. I click on the green line, left click and hold, and then drag it up. So I'm going to drag it to about right there, let it go, modify the trade, and once I modify the trade, if it does not continue to go down for me to get out in profit, and it goes the other direction on me, once it gets to this red line where it says stop loss or SL right here, it'll stop my trade out without me losing too much money. So that's basically the way I trade. Again, not saying you have to trade this way, but I think it is, me personally, I think it is an efficient way to trade. I think it's a good way to trade if you have time to sit in front of your computer and watch the markets all day long. And at the same time, you can make some pretty decent money, but you can also lose some pretty decent money. Trading in the Forex market, like trading stocks or anything else, is risky. You know, high risk, high reward, high risk, low reward, same thing. You can lose as much money as you can make. But if you become proficient at trading and you follow a set of rules that you set up and not somebody else's rules, you could become really, really good. There's a lot of stuff out there online that teaches you how to do this. You just have to cycle through it and use all of the good stuff and disregard all of the bad stuff. But at any rate, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was informative. If you want to ask me any questions about it, you can email me at the link that I'm going to put in the description. And if you need any information or help on setting up your moving averages, I can more than gladly help you do that as well. Again, this is Raw D. Yeah, that's me. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thanks.